you have been struggling to solve inequalities, welcome to the best online tutorial where we explain different mathematical topics and we explain them in such a way that it is a step-by-step process for you to understand. Within seconds, you have already grabbed the point. So stay through the end of the video so that you do not miss out on any of the tips or hacks that I will be revealing in this video. These are questions that are likely to come out in examinations, so get your pen and paper and let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our videos. And also share these videos to people you know, or students, parents, teachers that might also need it. Now let's move to solving the equations. The first equation, or the first inequality, says 16 is greater than or equal to x minus 1. So just the way we solve our normal regular equations, we need to collect like terms, and that implies that minus 1 needs to go out to meet 16, which is its like term. So when minus 1 crosses this bridge, it becomes plus 1. So 16 plus 1 greater than or equal to x. All right? Now 16 plus 1 is 17, is greater than or equal to x. And then this can also be rewritten as x is less than or equal to 17. So when you decide to move the x to this side, the sign changes. And this is just common sense, because for instance, if you have two oranges, this is the bigger orange and this is the smaller orange, the sign in the middle will be what? The greater than sign, isn't it? Because this is greater than this. But let's assume the small orange comes here and the big orange comes here. What will be the sign here? Of course, the sign will change, isn't it? It becomes less than. So the small orange will become less than the bigger one. So the same thing applies here with inequalities. When you decide to move the x to this side, the sign decides to change, and it is just common sense. With that in mind, you move on to the next equation, and this one says 8 is less than 4 minus 2y. 8 is less than 4 minus 2y. So how do we solve this? The same principle applies, collecting like terms. So 4 needs to come out, becomes minus 4. 8 minus 4. All right. Let me rewrite this. 8 minus 4 is less than minus 2y. All right. 8 minus 4 gives us 4 less than minus 2y. As with normal equations, we need to get y to be on its own, so we need to divide both sides by minus 2. But something happens here. When you are dividing both sides by a negative, the sign in the middle has to change. All right? So we are going to rewrite this now. It will become 4 over minus 2 will now be what? Greater than. The sign changes. Then we have minus 2y over minus 2. All right? So this cancels this, gets 1, and then 2 divided by 4, we get 2. So we are left with minus 2 is greater than y. Now this can also be rewritten as y is less than minus 2. Because remember we said it in the previous equation that when you are moving y to this side, the sign also changes. That's how we come to the end of the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you do not miss out any of our math videos. Also do well to share the video so that other people can learn as well. Till we meet again, this is Math with Ugali. Do have a nice day.